National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Kane County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bartlett, or over DuPage Airport, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Naperville, Elgin, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Addison, St. Charles, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Westmont, Maywood, Roselle, Lisle, Villa Park, and Brookfield. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 278. Interstate 88 between mile markers 126 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 4 and 20. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12, and between mile markers 15 and 30. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.